Hello everyone, I am Sebastian and today we are making a perfect beginner recipe for bread. Start off with 1 2/3 of a cup of lukewarm water and then add 1 tablespoon of honey. As we will be using instant yeast, it's only to dissolve the honey more easily that we're actually using a little bit warm water. Give it a quick stir until the honey is dissolved and then set it aside. Now we're going to add 2 cups of bread flour. You can make this bread with only bread flour, but we are adding 2 cups of whole wheat flour as well. We also need to add 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. Give it a quick stir to mix up all the dry ingredients. Now we're gonna add the honey water that we just made. We're gonna add half of that. Mix it around a little bit before you add the rest of the honey water. Continue mixing until all the water is absorbed. Because the dough is so sticky, you could wet your fingers before you touch the dough. You need to fold the dough 4 times. And remember to wet your fingers between every fold. When you have folded the dough 4 times, turn it upside down and sprinkle it with some flour on top. Then cover it with clinch film and let it rise for about 90 minutes. And remember, when you have about 15 minutes left, you need to preheat your oven. You need to lightly flour the surface of the parchment paper, otherwise the dough will stick to the paper and it will be really hard to divide. Then just pour out the dough on the parchment paper. You can use a rubber spatula to get all the dough out of the bowl. Divide the dough in 3 parts. You can use a dough scraper, for example, or a spatula. Then lightly flour your hands and form the breads in the shape that you prefer. As a final touch, you can sprinkle some flour on top. You need to bake them for about 20 to 25 minutes at 425 Fahrenheit. When they're done, they will be a little bit chewy, crunchy on the outside. Go ahead and slice it up, add some butter, and for something this simple to make, you have a super tasty bread. Why don't you try it? And let us know in the comments below.